Hello everyone, myself Naresh. So in my last video, we have checked how we can create an application in SharePoint and how we can register the application in the SharePoint. So we can get a client ID and client secret and other information so that SharePoint account can be connected with another application. So today we are going to check how we can generate the access token in the Postman and Apex class in the SharePoint, Salesforce, so that access token can be used to connect that SharePoint application with to other API for other API. Okay. So first, let's check how we can connect SharePoint with the how we can generate the access token in the Postman. Okay. So these are the few detail I have. This detail I got from the this detail, same detail which in my previous video. So when I created my SharePoint account, I got a SharePoint app and that register app that I got a client ID, client secret, and host. Okay. So to generate the access token, this is the endpoint actually we have, and this is a standard endpoint. Only we need to provide after slash need to tenant ID we need to provide, and this is done actually. And request body we have grant type, and we need to provide client ID as the tenant ID. We need to provide client secret, then we need to provide resource. This is again the constant. This is not going to be changed. Only we need to change the host and the tenant ID. So let get to my Postman. So just me go and Postman, and okay, so let me prepare that info in Notepad also. This will be tenant ID. So let me copy the tenant ID. Fine, we have tenant ID. So I'm done with the tenant ID. And request grant type. This will be join client ID. Nothing but the combination of the client ID at the tenant ID. So this is my client ID at the rate tenant ID. Complete the client secret and I will paste here. Host similar. I will paste the host. I will paste here. And again, I need to put the tenant ID. So, yeah. So let me copy this and share to my Postman screen. Okay, this is my endpoint. Okay. So I need to pass some information body. So I will go to the form data. I will pass the information. Okay, let me get it from my notepad. So grant type will be equal to client credential. Client ID will be the combination of client ID and the tenant at the rate of tenant ID. Client secret will be the client secret. Resource. This is again same thing what we done in now. Okay, and just let me click on hit button. Yeah, if you see, we got the access token. So this access token can be used for to call other API if you want to call. Okay, and let me go back to my notepad again. This is what we have done in request body. This is the endpoint we have. This is again constant from the Microsoft, and we need to provide tenant ID and the token. The method will be get, and the request body is the same thing we have provided in our request body, and we got the access token. So with the help of this access token, we can call another API. We can authorize that another API, and we can create a folder. We can upload some file on a SharePoint with the help of some API, which is provided by SharePoint. Now, check how we can generate the access token in our Apex class in the Salesforce. So let me switch back to my Salesforce screen. Hope you can see my Salesforce screen. So let me go to my developer console. Okay. So before creating before doing the call out with the SharePoint, just need to what we need to do. We need to just whitelist that endpoint. So just go to the remote site setting. Just create a new remote site setting. SharePoint. Okay. So let me go to my notepad and let me copy that endpoint. Copy this endpoint. And again, I will go to the system and just see. Just see that. So I just whitelisted this endpoint. So let me go to the developer console and let me create a new base class. Say click on OK. And this class is ready. Let me get another. Uh, let me feature. Let me add method. Static. Or I don't want to return anything. Static or get. Say program. Let me add some annotation because we are doing the follow, so you can add as a feature. That's it, and some let's create some parameter. So, string. Let me get HTTP. What will be my endpoint? Set set endpoint. Let me set my endpoint. The same endpoint got from. Go to the Postman. Let me copy this. Let me go back to my request set the get method. So just use get method. Now we need to prepare some body. What body I'm talking about? Let me just go to my so we need to send the body this same thing, right? Client type we need to send, and client ID is same thing we need to send to what? We need to prepare the body and we need to send in HTTP request. So let me go to my system. Error. So just let me get HTTP. So we need to prepare body. So let me type in string request body. Let me type request body. What should be the first parameter? Let me go to my notepad. Sorry, Postman. Did you see? This is my first parameter. So I will type first as a parameter. So grant type equal to client credential. semicolon. Then again I will add this parameter plus equal. What is the other one? It should be combination. So we need to provide ampersand. So it will be combined. So grant type hidden. We need to do the client ID. Client ID equal to what we have. Same parameter I will pass. Same thing. Request body. Request body. Okay. Pass the client secret. Same equal to what we have. Whatever we have passed in our. Then we to pass resource. Request body is equal to plus equal resource. So 10%. So 10% resource is equal to same thing what we pass in our Postman. Yes, we done. Okay. And just set the body. Request. Set body. Yes, I will pass this as the body. Done. Okay. Only one thing has to be, we need to set the response also. HTTP response. So HTTP. This just send the HTTP. I will take it. Send HTTP. Send which request I want to send. I want to send this. This request, right? Send. Okay. So let's check what body we are getting. System. What code we are getting? Status code. Yeah. Similar. What body we are getting? System. Body. Response. Okay, body. So, okay, only that much we need to do. Let me run this code piece of code. Just let me run. Execute and open the. If I go, so I am getting 401 error invalid client error description. This is invalid client secret provided. Ensure that client begins send in the request is a client secret value, not a client secret ID. So there is some issue in the client secret. So let me double check what we have provided here. The client secret here is there some issue. Okay, let me check. Let me pause this video and check how we can resolve this video. How resolve this issue. So in client secret, actually, we are getting some issue in client secret. So what suggestion I got, like if you have plus in a client secret, so just replace the plus with this percentage to be. So let me check my client secret. There is a plus symbol. Yes, there is a plus symbol. So let me replace. Yes, plus. And if you have equal symbol, then just replace the equal symbol with this value. So I have the equal at the end. So let me replace. And if you have this symbol, then just replace this symbol with the slash symbol here. Then just replace with this symbol. One, two place I have. So you can note down, this is very crucial. So this is very important part, because everything we have provided, whatever we have provided, same thing we have provided what we done in a Postman, but still showing some errors. So what suggestion I got from the Google or some places, like you need to replace plus symbol if we have in client secret with the to be prior is percentage equals in the percent 3D and slash symbol percent 2L. Let me refresh and let me run again. And then let me go slow. Slow. Feature, let me click on that feature. Yeah, if you see, token for status code is 200, and the token I'm getting resource, everything I'm getting, access token I'm getting. Yeah. If I go and copy this in my notepad, we will get here. Yeah, everything I'm getting, token type, access token I'm getting. So in this way, we can generate the access token or SharePoint access token in Apex class. So only challenging part what like the we are getting some error in client secret. So if we get any error in client secret, so just replace this plus symbol with this value. If you have equal symbol in client secret, just replace with this, and if you have this and this plus symbol, just replace with 2F. Hope team you get this. Hope team you got some clue how we can generate the access token of the SharePoint in Apex class. Thank you, team. Just let me know if you have any question. We just so this code I'm posting on my blog. You can go to that blog and you can refer the that code. And even if you, I will provide my link in the description for the last video, like how we can register the application in the SharePoint and how we can generate the client ID, client secret in SharePoint. Okay, thank you guys.